I am opposed to privatization of public resources. And the reason is simple. When you talk about corporations, by their very nature, they are made for profit. So they think profit first. But when you talk about public ownership, you think people first. Human rights have to be considered ahead of profit. What I advocate for are alternatives to privatization. Some of them are community ownership and management of resources. Another one is public community management of resources.
Un conjunto de organizaciones feministas de derechos humanos hicimos un manifiesto hace un año que plantea 5 R's para reconstruir la organización social del cuidado. La R de reconocer el valor económico del trabajo de cuidado, pero reconocer el derecho humano al cuidado. Recompensar, y decimos hay que recompensar el trabajo de cuidado remunerado. Reducir de manos de las mujeres la carga del trabajo de cuidado. Redistribuir, que tiene que ver con redistribuir entre hombres y mujeres, sí, pero redistribuir entre la familia hacia los servicios públicos. Reivindicar el carácter público del cuidado como un bien público, como un bien colectivo.
Some say that the closest we get to that future is continue fighting. And maybe we make the future one day at a time, one struggle at a time, one victory at a time. And then bit by bit we start envisioning, experiencing maybe what we want in the greater scheme. If not for us, for the other generation. I really believe that, we need to pass through this earth and live as better ancestors than to our future generation than we found it.